In this video I'm going to show you how to change text-to-speech on TikTok. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok app. Once you have opened up your TikTok app, you want to click on the plus button and then record a video. Once you have the video, you want to click on the check mark at the bottom right and then click on text and then say, whatever. And then if you want to add text to speech, click on that text and click on text to speech. And as you can see here, we have test. So if you want to change this sound, you go to voices on the right side and from here you can change the voice. As you can see, it has shake, battery drain and etc. And also you can record your own. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what is the problem and I will do my best to help you out.